Seriously, I like you. But then again, I eat my own crap. I kid! I joke with you. I kid! You know I never meant to hurt you. I kid! It's a joke, Chippy. Let's stop hating each other. Leave the pooping to me. Rock it to me, sock it to me, rock it to me, sock it to me, rock it to me, sock it. I'm a rocking dog and I'm here to stay. Rappa, 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 a tappa, happa, happa. I kid. Hey, pretty boy, are you sure you don't poop on both sides of the street? A Triumph dog. Oh, yes. How much did you pay for this piece of crap? No, this is great. I haven't had this much fun since the doctor chopped my nuts off. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Here's something we're both used to hearing. Roll over. Seriously, have you ever spoken to a woman without having to give her your credit card number? You're a great friend. For me to poop on,